Hey everybody, just thought I'd take a quick couple of seconds to show you this stuff that I think is actually pretty cool. It's a whole big lake of geese, ducks, other stuff, all getting ready to head south. They are on their way south anyways, but just a whole bunch of them. Yeah, all the way around there, all the way over there, still coming around. Yet more. Can I zoom in some more? I can zoom in some more, not that you can really see them, but anyways, yeah, just a whole bunch of them. We'll come back around this way again, let you see them all. That was a little bit of a quick flash. I'll shut up and see if you can hear them. Probably when we go to take off again, our bikes will make them upset. Oops. Keep an eye on the camera, dummy. There you go. Yeah, some stuff in the background there. That's pretty cool, I think. Anyways, just a whole bunch of them. Oh, for a shotgun, but oh well. And anyway, sorry for all you animal lovers out there. Okay. Anyways, that's that. Hope you liked it. And oh, there's a whole bunch flying. Took off for a second. Yeah. I don't know why they're all flying around like that, but still, anyways, flying around looking for another spot to land. Anyways, that's enough pretty cool nature for now. Take it easy. See you on the next one. Oh yeah, hey, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.